We'll guide you through how to duplicate in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut PC, and so for whatever reason you want to duplicate a video, clip, or media, we'll guide you through this step by step, so make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything. So to go about this, what we need to do is we need to go and find the clip in the timeline or piece of media and select it. You may want to do part of it. If that's the case, that's fine as well. So you can go and split the part you want to go and duplicate. So go and place the playback cursor where you want to go and start doing this. You can press Ctrl B to make a split, or you can go and press the split button here, and that will go and make a split as well. Choose you want to go and make another split to go and end the part you want to go and duplicate with Ctrl B or pressing the split key, and there it is. So we've now gone and got the thing or part I want to go and duplicate. Now you want to go and right click on it, and you can go up and find copy, and you can click there, or you can press Ctrl and C together like so to copy it. Now place the playback cursor where you want to go and duplicate it. So if it's just here, place it there. In this case, I want it to be at the end. Then what you can do is you can go and right click and press paste, and we paste it. Or alternatively, what I prefer to do is press Ctrl V, and that'll go and paste it. It's a shortcut, and there it is. You can then click, hold and drag it where you want, drag it into the main timeline, and you can do that again. So I could do it again, drag it down, and I could go and keep on repeating that, as you can see.